In this video, let's talk about the setup on Boeing, and in this video I want to go in very in depth. This is a play that I've alerted on all of the discords that I alert for, and we're actually up over 40% on this play already. This is also a very similar play to our play on AMD, which was a nice 87%, but it hit over 250%, and a very nice similar play to Apple. So in this video, I really want to keep you guys prepared and show you guys my perspective, what I am looking at, so that you guys can fully understand. Because instead of following me blindly, I want you guys to really understand what I am looking at and how I am profiting off of my trades. So let's go over that in this video, and I'll be comparing it with like AMD, Shopify, Apple, and all of that. Guys, enjoy content like this, make sure to leave a like, subscribe with notifications on, and let's get started into this video. Now, Boeing looks very interesting. We have a lot going on the daily, and then we have the bigger picture on the weekly time frame. The first thing that I want to start off is the weekly time frame and the bigger time frame. What I usually like to do is I like to take a look at the bigger time frame and then go into the smaller time frame so that I can see the whole and full perspective. So I'm taking a look at the weekly candle, weekly time frame. Each of these candles are weekly, and we could see that we have been trading sideways. We've been trading sideways and consolidating since 2023. So for more than a year now, we have really just been trading sideways for Boeing, and now we could see that this is also a massive critical level of support. We could see that $200 is also a mental level. Okay, it is a mental level. $200 sounds good. It is even. It is 200. So keep that in mind. Now the next thing is that we have this massive support dating back all the way, and for more than a year we have been bouncing off of this level of support. We did break the support one time, and then it became the resistance, and then eventually it had a inverse head and shoulder and broke out again. So the first thing that we are taking a look at is this massive level of support, and that is why I entered in calls right around market open. Around 15 minutes after market open, I entered in, and then we closed above on the daily time frame. So our stop loss is going to be the close below. We really need to hold this level for Boeing on the daily and the weekly time frame. So we're buying low and we're selling high. Now another thing that I'm taking a look at is that we have this massive channel for Boeing. So this could also be a very nice shares play, around a 8% potential gain on the stock. So we have this resistance, we have this level of support, and then if we take a look at the closer picture, I'm going to delete this so that we could have a little bit more of a clear setup. We can see that we have a nice descending triangle, and we have this resistance as our price target. So this is going to be our price target, which is around $206 for our options play. Now I did get in a weekly call option. The reason that I got in a very close and weekly call option is because I want to just play this really small quick bounce. We are at this level of support. The chances of us bouncing is a lot higher than breaking down below. So I want to play this quick bounce off of the level of support. And we can see that typically when we hit this level of support, we get a nice push to the upside and a nice spike to the upside. So my price target is going to be around $206. This is going to be the area. And eventually just selling out before our options get expired. So this is the price target that I am looking at, and this looks absolutely amazing, the descending triangle. Now people do say that, okay, isn't descending triangle a bearish pattern? Only if we break this to the downside. So if we close below, then it is a bearish pattern, but we closed above, we just need to hold this level. This is going to be our stop loss, and then we have the price target. Now let's compare it to something like AMD. So AMD was first a descending triangle, and now it is in this consolidation phase. And then Shopify is another example of this consolidation phase and playing the bounces off the support. So this is very similar to our previous plays. Again, you guys can go onto the Discord and you guys can scroll up. We played calls on AMD and we played the bounce off the support. We've gotten calls right at the bottom. It pushed up. This was our price target. And then we can potentially also break this to the upside and play the breakout like Shopify. So Shopify had that breakout and it had a pretty good run up, and then it dropped on earnings. So very, very similar play. Then we had the play on Apple, where again Apple had this critical level of support, and this is really my go-to strategy right now. Okay, playing the bounces off the level of support, because again, the higher probability is us actually bouncing instead of playing the breakout. I've got burned a lot from playing the breakout, but playing the bounces and the support is very, very simple, and it's really, really like easy. Like you see it that we have bounced off this level of support, and it's just a probability game. So overall, hope you guys understood this video, my perspective, what I am taking a look at. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the Discord, and see you guys later.